main 4 search engines which have their own database, which have their, now see, search engines, in fact I'll just show you all a video which which will give you an idea about how the search engine works and what is the whole process behind the, what happens when a searcher writes keys in the query. Suppose if I'm looking for something and I go to Google and type in the search query as such, when I type that search query, what happens when we click on the search button, when we click on go, what happens, what's the whole process behind, and how the results are displayed. And this happens so fast that in a matter of seconds that we don't realize that there's a whole process. So in those few seconds, Google spiders have to search the whole index of Google and bring back the relevant results. So for that we have to see that our website is available in such a form where each and every aspect of the web which will decide that whether this website is relevant for this search query or no. जो हम सर्च लिख रहे हैं वो सर्च के लिए हमारी वेबसाइट relevant है कि नहीं, तो उसके लिए we have to see that all the features of the website are in such a form that the search engine can read and extract the content and display the website in the display results.
आपने जो बताया कि एक्सट्रैक्ट कर सके इन्फॉर्मेशन, मतलब ऐसा वेब पेजेस में ऐसे भी इन्फॉर्मेशन है जो उसका प्रेजेंटेशन ऐसा है कि वो ऐसा जो एक्सट्रैक्ट नहीं कर पाएगा, नहीं कर पाएगा, ऐसा भी है, तो what are those ways which you should avoid?
Yes, that is the main thing. We have to see to it that our content on our website is such that, on our web page is such that each and everything can be read by the search engine spiders, so that they can save it in their database and they can display it for the relevant results. That is the whole thing about optimization. That is why they say that search engine optimization is helping, it means putting the best foot forward for your website so that it can be seen. Now first let us understand about, before we go on for search engine optimization and we take into consideration the search engines, let us understand the internet is not only search engines. How we can have web visibility on the internet, but using other options also, and why other options are not so much being used compared to the search engine option as such. Now, internet marketing, also known as digital marketing, web marketing, online marketing or e-marketing. We are referring this as marketing because, see, basically what do we want? When we are optimizing our website or we want web visibility, what do we want? We want visitors on our website. So that's the main difference between marketing and sales. Sales is taking the product to the people, marketing is bringing the people to the product. So we want people to automatically reach our website, and from there they can decide what they want to take from our website or what we want, what we can offer to them. So it is known as digital marketing, web marketing, online marketing or e-marketing. And internet marketing is considered to be broad in scope because it not only refers to marketing on the internet but also includes marketing done via email and other wireless media. Now the internet marketing tree, I'll show you one image which has got all the options, like you'll understand as to how a website can branch out on the web by using the other options. The internet marketing tree has email marketing, social media marketing, directories and listings, public relations, online advertising and search marketing. Now this, I'll enlarge it from here. If you see there, the whole in the internet marketing, it's not only, you will see search engine marketing is just one branch branch of internet marketing, right? Let us take the other branches. One is email marketing, which actually started the first and foremost, because we started. How did we start using the internet? By email. Because we thought that it is just a communication. The internet was used only for communication because it made communication faster and reduced the cost of communication, and it made the message reach faster. But people, what did they started using email for marketing also. So how did we use email for marketing? By first and foremost, what do we need? We need a big long list of email IDs whom we have to reach. Again, it is not bringing people here. We are reaching out to them, and out of which only maybe 1 or 2% people may just even respond. Others are just going to delete the email. How many emails we get on a daily basis? We just delete them. So for email marketing, why it is compared to search engine marketing is not that successful. Yes, email marketing is successful for if you want to reach out to people whom you already know. Your people who already know about your organization, you want to send them some information, share with them the progress, or take help from them in whatever way. Then email marketing is very helpful because they immediately respond. You get a response. But if you're trying to reach out to people who don't know anything about you, then email marketing does not work that effectively. And there is a whole process. You need a big email list, and you don't know whether those email IDs are actually people who would be interested in the kind of service or product that you're offering. And then you have to have a additional software or a person who actually send emails, write a good emails by which the person will be impressed and contact you. So there are certain issues. Again, email marketing is not that effective. Then we have social media marketing. Now social media marketing is coming up in a very big way now. Social media marketing is, over here it is mentioned, blogging, social networks and shared content. Basically it is very helpful for sharing content, and of course making new contacts also, because now if you see, Twitter and Facebook are being widely used by people for connecting with each other, contacting each other and sharing information. So social media marketing is coming up in a very big way, but then you've got to have a different approach towards it totally. You've got to have a kind of you are dealing with people, and you have to develop a one-to-one rapport and a kind of with the person whom you are contacting. Only then the person whom you are following will recommend others, and then via you will get multiple number of followers, or people will start adding as friends, or whatever is the concept of the social media platform. Because Facebook has a different concept, Twitter has a different concept. We'll take that up in detail later on. But and now why social media marketing is becoming more and more important? Because social media and search are getting integrated. They are getting connected. And how they are getting connected, we will be taking up in detail when we have a special session on social and search integration. Now, social media is getting integrated basically because one hint I'll just give you is basically what is happening on social media. What are we doing? We are sharing. See, sharing is the main thing. We are sharing information. So what do? We have just limited number of characters. In Twitter you have 140 characters that you can share the post, and on Facebook also